Hello, Dr. Bruce, and to everyone over at Transforming Smiles. My name is Viola Barnett, and in this video, I am going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, good thing I reminds because the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan to do these things themselves, that can help impact their businesses for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Viola, please do this for me, right? So if by the end of this video, you like what you heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan that I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So let's take a look. Now I'm going to show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So we're here on your first page, and on your home page, Google optimizes up to at least, not up to, they start optimizing at 1,500 words. You guys have approximately 1,000 words on your homepage if you take a look here. Now, if you look at your competition, and when I say competition, these guys right here, Gwinnett Family Dental Care, they're ranking at about number 1 or 2 on Google, and you guys are at about number 7. Now, if you take a look at their homepage, they have probably upwards of 1,600 words. So they're definitely over the 1,500, but because they only have 1,600, it's beatable. We could definitely beat them without a doubt. Now, when it comes to, let's go back to your page, keywords are very important. Every month, people are searching for specific keywords. See, this site here is called Ahrefs. This is a little site that I pay $400 a month for just to monitor businesses. And when you look at Ahrefs, you can see how many times people organic traffic is coming to your website from Google. You guys are getting 33 customers per month. If you look at your competition, they're at 559 customers per month. And they have 2,000 organic keywords. You guys have 268. So let's see exactly what we're talking about. When we click into keywords, this is what they're actually ranking for. Your site is dense with these keywords here. Children Dentistry, Lawrenceville. People search that approximately twice a month. Lawrenceville Pediatric Dentistry, 2 times a month, 6 times a month for Dr. Bruce, 3 times a month. So you see how that works. If we go to your competition and we take a look at their 2,000, upwards of 2,000 organic keywords, 66 times people are searching for Gwinnett Family Dental Care. Gwinnett Family Dental, they're searching for that 45 times. If we go down the list, you can see 9 times they're searching for Gwinnett Dentist. These are the keywords that are on their website, that are on their homepage, somehow, some way, which is here. It's in here somewhere, and you can also get that traffic and beat them if we add this to your homepage. So even the pictures, Google doesn't recognize photos, but they do recognize the name behind the photo. So if I click on this to save it, you see how it pops up index NP? Right here, we can put in a keyword, and that would also take it up a notch. So each time somebody searches for those keywords, they'll find your page first. Does that make sense? Now, we looked at your competition. We noticed that they were very beatable. If we go back to, let's take a look at Google. Here we go. Right, let's go back one here. Okay, first thing we see here is this. All right, we see the map pack. That's what we call this. These are citations. So this is the second thing I want to talk to you about that's very important in order to get ranked in here. Citations are basically places on the internet where your name, address, and phone number are listed. Now, that's throughout all the different directories throughout the internet, such as, let's see, Google, not Google, I'm sorry, such as like Yahoo, Bing, Zing, etc. These different directories throughout the internet. So if we go in here into the map pack and we view everything, the number 1 is Smoke Rice Dental. Now, another tool that I use here is called White Spark CA. You see it up here. I already put you guys in here, and you guys are at 30 when it comes to your citations, meaning how many different places throughout the internet you guys are listed. Your competition's at 47. Again, very beatable, right? We could definitely outdo that. So, and that will get you from the number 7 spot right here and outrank all of these others and put you up to the top. And that's what's going to get more customers in the door organically that are looking for dentists in the Lawrenceville area. So that site that I use, White Spark CA, that cost me about 30 to 70 bucks per month. But again, we could definitely take a look at your site to see as far as what citations need to be added, aka NAPs, to be submitted, so that way that you guys can be in Yellow Book, White Book, YEX, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation, and that makes a difference. Now, as you can see, the competition has the citations down with 47, but that's only 17 ahead of you. Now, the last thing I wanted to talk about are backlinks. So let me go back to the search engine here. And if we take a look at the overview, backlinks. So backlinks are basically, they're very important, but it's the last thing I want to cover with you because it's like link juice. You see, we can search for, what did I put in the search here? Dentist, Lawrenceville, Georgia. And we saw that you were at number 1. You guys were at number 5 or number 7. So basically, if you add a lot of backlinks to your site, which are links that lead back to your site that are connected to other sites, that would help you get up in the ranking as well. Because if you take a look at your competition, when it comes to their backlinks, they have 739 and you guys have 249. You see that there? So it makes a big difference, and it definitely will be effective if you were able to add some more backlinks to your site. So once again, let's go over what we went over. We went over content. We went over making sure you have 1,500 words. Citation, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. And link juice, you want to add more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you could either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you could give me a call at 404-345-2771. Again, my name is Viola Barnett. I look forward to hearing from you, and you all have a great day.